Hello everyone, welcome to MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Question number 1. What should be the condition for granting bail to the accused in a case involving the circulation of explicit material on social media? Option A. Pay compensation to the victim. Option B. Refrain from using social media for a specified period. Option C. Report to the police station daily. And option D. Leave the city for a fixed duration. The correct answer is option B. In the case of Akash versus State of Rajasthan, the court granted bail to a 19-year-old accused involving circulating sexually explicit material and intimidating a woman on social media. The court imposed a unique condition requiring the accused to refrain from using any social media platforms for 3 years. This condition was designed to protect the victim while balancing the accused's young age and future prospects. Question number 2. Which of the following is the inconsistency regarding the SARFAESI Act 2002 and its associated rules? Option A. Borrower's right of redemption. Option B. Time frame for loan repayment. Option C. Interest rate calculation. And option D. Borrower's right to contest asset seizure. The correct answer is option D. In M. Rajendran and others versus Massers KPK Oils and Proteins Private Limited and others, the Supreme Court highlighted the inconsistency between the borrower's right of redemption under Section 13 Clause 8 of the SARFAESI Act and the corresponding rules, urging the government to amend the law to resolve the issue. Question number 3. Who amongst the following females does not have the capacity to individually adopt under the Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act 1956? Option A. A married female. Option B. An unmarried female. Option C. A widow. And option D. A divorcee. The correct answer is option A. According to Section 14 of the Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act 1956, a married female does not have the capacity to individually adopt a child unless her husband consents. Question number 4. Section 87 of the CRPC authorizes issuance of warrant. Option A. In lieu of summons. Option B. In addition to summons. Option C. Both A and B. And option D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C. Section 87 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 allows a court to issue a warrant of arrest in place of or in addition to a summons if it has reason to believe the person has absconded or will not obey the summons, or if they fail to appear after a duly served summons without a valid excuse. This provision is used to compel the appearance of accused persons or witnesses and can be applied before and after the summons is issued. Question number 5. Section 303 of the Indian Penal Code was struck down as unconstitutional by the Supreme Court in the case of option A. Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab. Option B. Mithu versus State of Punjab. Option C. Brij Mohan versus State of Rajasthan. And option D. Machi Singh versus State of Punjab. The correct answer is option B. The Supreme Court examined whether Section 303 of the IPC, which prescribes a mandatory death sentence for murder committed by life convicts, contravened the constitutional guarantees provided under Articles 14 and 21 of the Indian Constitution. The court held that Section 303 was unconstitutional as it violated the principles of equality and right to life and personal liberty. This judgment emphasized that mandatory sentencing eliminates judicial discretion, making the punishment arbitrary and oppressive. Consequently, the court declared Section 303 void, thereby ensuring that all cases of murder, irrespective of convict's prior sentence, are governed solely by 302, which allows for flexibility in sentencing based on the circumstances of each case. It's the time for practice question. A confession made by an accused is relevant and admissible. Option A. When it is voluntary, truthful and beyond reproach. Option B. When made to a third person after police detention. Option C. When made under threat of assault by the public. And option D. None of the above, as confession is inadmissible. Pin down your answers in the comment section below.